Do you want to learn Revit but feel confused where to start? Don't worry, I'll explain everything from zero. What Revit is, why it's powerful, and why everyone use it like a pro, and it's what's the interface about. By the end of this video, you will feel confident opening Revit and starting your first project. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'll teach you Revit step by step from beginner to advanced level with real projects. In order to start, first you should know the basic introduction regarding Revit. Revit is a BIM software which is nothing but building information modeling. This means you are not just drawing like AutoCAD, you are actually creating a real building digitally. Example, a wall knows its thickness, a door knows its height, and everything is connected. That is why Revit is normally used by architects, interior designers, structural engineers, and it's one of the most demanded skills in 2026. Why to use Revit? Let's quickly see why Revit is powerful. 3D plus 2D in one place. In AutoCAD, we only draw 2D, not more 3D. But coming to Revit, we can draw both in one place. Automatic plans, sections, and elevations, very easy. Easy modifications, change once, update everywhere. Professional presentation output. That's why companies prefer Revit over traditional drawing. Now, first open Revit from your laptop or PC. Now let's open Revit and understand the interface step by step. There are two here, one is model and one is family. In order to create a family like sofa, cupboard or TV set, you go through this. For a project, you should open new and one dialog box will open where we have different types of template files. You can select anything based on your requirement, but as of now, I'm going with default metric and project. Click on project. Okay. This is the main Revit interface in which right side you have properties box. Properties box is nothing but if you select any command like wall door, the properties of this command will shown here. Like if you select wall, the height, material and thickness and type of wall will be shown in the properties box only. Coming to project browser left side, project browser you can see floor plans, ceiling plans, elevations, legends, schedules, sheets, all. This is the center area of the drawing, main drawing area. Now we'll see different types of tabs or commands in the Revit. This is top menu, this is nothing but ribbon. The main control area, you'll see all types of tabs here. First is architecture, structure, steel. In architecture, we have different types of walls, doors, windows, components, columns. You can have also floors, staircase, etc. In structure, the related structure things can see here like beams, walls, again wall, structural wall, column, slab, footings, foundation. Steel, you can see different types of connections and corner cut, etc. Precast, here you can see reinforcement top and bottom. Systems, we have different types of systems like plumbing, pipe, MEP. And massing, you can see different types of curtain, roof, wall, side component is very important. And coming to view, in view we can see different types of view like 3D view, camera view, walkthrough also you can see here. Section. In manage, you can create different types of materials as you need and you can apply it to the structures. And this Enscape and D5 renders as 3D plugins. Modify, you can have different types of commands here like offset, move, copy, rotate, trim, mirror, split, etc. Let's see basic navigation, how we can move inside the Revit. First, scroll mouse for zoom in and out. You can scroll mouse for zoom in and out, and hold middle mouse. You can change the direction like this. And in order to move in 3D, shift plus middle mouse. You can rotate as ever you want. This is very important for beginners. Practice this daily. This is for today's video, the basic thing. If you master Revit, you can design houses, create professional drawings, even earn money as a freelancer. So take it seriously. This can change your career. In next video, we'll learn about levels and grids, which is the foundation of any project. So don't miss it. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment Revit if you want to learn more. See you in the next video.